Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vinda Singh and today we'll learn how to make a tea coaster with cement. So let's get straight to the video. So take some cement and add water to it. Now mix it well. Now take a plastic container and add few drops of oil so that it doesn't stick to your container. Next step is optional. Take fabric paint and add some amount of fabric paint to the mixture. Now take any stick, I have used bottom part of brush and create some texture like I did. Remember, don't overdo this step. Now let it dry for about 48 hours. And it's ready to use. So see how the texture made from the fabric paint came out really well. So please give it a like, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Thank you.
Your body's crazy.